Welcome! Today, we embark on a journey into a unique architectural feat, a sprawling house nestled within the heart of Asunción's Botanical Garden. 3 hectares of land presented both a challenge and a dream for OMCM Arquitecto's team. Here, the architect weaved together the vibrancy of a big family home with the serene embrace of nature. Imagine a vast canvas painted with vibrant greens. This wasn't just any canvas, it was the land itself. Just like the doctor examines a patient, they started with a detailed topographic and tree survey. Understanding the existing flora, especially the grand old trees that served as a haven for diverse wildlife, became paramount. Respecting them 100% was the foundation of their design philosophy. This respect for nature translated into a design emphasizing transparency and visual fluidity between indoors and outdoors. They envisioned a central square volume, 25 meters on each side, with a captivating twist. An existing tree would be incorporated into the very heart of the house. This majestic giant would become the undisputed protagonist, with 1,300 square meters of covered space and another 700 square meters dedicated to terraces and pools, creating a truly expansive living environment. The unevenness of the terrain presented an opportunity. The service areas found their place in a semi-basement, facing the rear garden. The ground floor blossomed into a large, versatile social space, its boundaries blurring with the central patio, fostering an ever-present connection with nature. The material palette reflects the home's character, solid and sophisticated. Exposed concrete dominates load-bearing structures and exterior screens, while exposed dry-joint brickwork adds a touch of timeless elegance. Mechanical ironwork brings a touch of movement and functionality to doors, blinds, and other dynamic elements. Sensory experience was key. Vast expanses of transparent walls allow the exuberant vegetation to become a captivating backdrop, while maintaining a cool and shaded interior. After all, the Paraguayan climate demands such consideration. We achieved this through careful facade orientation and a clever staggered design, where upper elements project shadows onto the lower ones throughout the day. Ascending to the upper floor, we find 6 ensuite bedrooms, their private spaces cleverly arranged around the treetop, ensuring tranquility despite being part of such a vibrant household. The grand finale? A panoramic rooftop terrace, a haven for leisure with a gym, spa, and a refreshing swimming pool, all crowned by the breathtaking cityscape. This house isn't just a structure, it's a harmonious symphony of nature, family, and architecture. It's a place where the bustling energy of a large family can coexist with the serenity of the botanical garden. Imagine laughter echoing through the social spaces, merging with the symphony of birdsong. Picture family gatherings spilling onto the expansive terraces, the ever-present greenery a constant reminder of the home's unique connection to its surroundings. This is a testament to the power of integrating architecture with nature, creating a haven that nurtures both the human spirit and the environment. Could this be your future home, nestled among the trees, a verdant oasis within the vibrant heart of Asunción? Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.